You open your wallet, and there it is. Your first $100 that you didn't have to spend immediately. Not rent money, not emergency money, not money waiting for bills. Just $100 that is truly yours. Now here's the strange part. For most people, that $100 is not just money. It feels like a decision. A small one, but it quietly changes how you think about your entire life. Most people believe something simple. If I had more money, I would finally start saving, investing, and building wealth. But in reality, that's not how it works. Because when people get more money, they usually don't become better with money. They just upgrade their spending. A slightly better phone, a slightly nicer lifestyle, a slightly more expensive version of the same life. So even when income grows, wealth doesn't. And that's where the real problem starts. It's not that people don't earn enough. It's that they never learn the feeling of keeping money untouched. Now let's talk about that first $100. It might seem small, almost meaningless, but psychologically it's actually powerful. Because most people have only experienced money in one way. Money comes in, money goes out, like a cycle that never stops. Bills, food, transport, small leaks. Everything takes money before you even notice it. So when someone finally keeps $100 untouched, something changes in the brain. It feels unfamiliar, almost uncomfortable. Because your mind is asking, why is this money not being used? This is where psychology steps in. Human brains are wired for immediate reward. Spending money gives instant dopamine, saving or holding money gives nothing, at first. So the first $100 is really a battle between two identities. The identity of a spender, and the identity of someone who can delay reward. Now here's the key idea. That $100 is not about the amount. It's about proving to yourself, I can have money and not lose it. This is where everything shifts. Because wealth is not built by how much you earn. It is built by how long money can stay with you. Most people think rich people just make more money. But the deeper truth is this. Rich people are simply better at not resetting to zero every month. That first $100 teaches your brain something important. Money is not only for spending. Money can also be stored, grown, and protected. And once your brain accepts that idea, everything changes. Because now every dollar you earn is no longer spendable income. It becomes potential wealth. That shift is subtle, but it is the foundation of financial freedom. So what should you actually do with this idea? Start small. Don't wait for $1,000 or $10,000. Start with $100 that you refuse to touch. Keep it separate. Don't treat it like leftover money. Treat it like a symbol. Because once you successfully protect $100, your brain learns a new pattern. I don't have to spend everything I get. Then increase it slowly. $200, $500, $1,000. Not because the numbers matter, but because your identity is changing. You are training your mind to tolerate having money without destroying it. Here's the truth most people never realize. Financial freedom doesn't start when you earn more. It starts the first time you choose not to reset to zero again. And that first $100, it's not just money. It's the moment you stop being someone who only earns and start becoming someone who actually builds wealth.